Welcome back to Claim Clarity, your trusted channel for insurance and legal awareness. In our last video, Insurance Scam Alert, we exposed how people lose millions every year to fake insurance policies and shady agents. But today, what I'm about to reveal is even more terrifying. Imagine picking up your phone and talking to your trusted insurance agent. Their voice sounds real, their video looks perfect. They convince you to buy a policy. You wire the money. And just like that, your life savings are gone. Yes. This is the new face of scams, where AI deepfakes are being used to steal your money in ways you can't even imagine. Stay with me till the end, because in this video, I'm exposing the shocking truth about deepfake insurance agents, and how you can protect yourself before it's too late. In recent times, thousands of people across the US and UK have reported losing their hard-earned money to so-called insurance agents who were nothing more than lines of AI code, trained to mimic real human beings. Scammers now use advanced AI tools to create ultra-realistic fake videos, voice clones, even deepfake signatures on policy documents. They can even hack your existing agent's online presence, so when you think you're talking to your trusted rep, you're actually talking to a scammer sitting miles away, hidden behind a fake screen. Take the story of Lisa from New York. She'd been paying her life insurance premium every month for years. One day, she got a call from her agent, same voice, same name, asking her to upgrade her plan for better benefits. Lisa did everything over a live video call. She even got a PDF policy with her agent's digital signature. Months later, when she needed to claim, the real insurance company had no record of her new policy. $25,000 gone. No way to trace it back. And Lisa is not alone. Across the UK, an elderly couple paid their entire retirement savings to a fraudster pretending to be their home insurance agent. The scammer used an AI-generated face that looked like their real agent, even the accent was identical. So, how do these criminals do it? It all starts with data. Scammers gather bits of your agent's voice recordings, photos from LinkedIn, old emails, anything they can find online. They feed this data into AI tools that can recreate human voices and faces so perfectly that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. Next, they contact you through WhatsApp, Zoom, or even legit-looking websites. They talk to you live, just like a real agent. They'll send you fake policy documents with company logos, and fake payment links that look real. By the time you realize it's a scam, they've vanished, leaving you with empty pockets and zero coverage. This scam is growing rapidly for two big reasons. Number one, AI tools are cheaper and more powerful than ever. Even a rookie scammer sitting in a basement can use AI deepfake generators to mimic your agent in minutes. Number two, most people trust video calls and voice chats. They think if they see a face and hear a familiar voice, it must be real. But in the age of AI, seeing is no longer believing. The saddest part? Most victims never get their money back. Insurance companies often wash their hands off, saying, "That wasn't our agent." Banks may not refund the payment, calling it authorized because you did it yourself. Families are left in legal limbo, fighting for justice that rarely comes. So, how can you protect yourself? Here are 5 signs that your agent might be fake. Number 1, too good to be true. If an agent offers you deals that sound unrealistically cheap, red flag. Number 2, rush tactics. If they pressure you to pay immediately, saying offer ends today, be cautious. Number 3, suspicious payment links. Always check the URL. Official insurance companies never use random payment apps. Number 4, lack of official emails. Legit agents use company domains, not Gmail or Yahoo. Number 5, verify identity. Always call your insurance company directly using the number on their official website, not the one the agent gives you. And if you're on a video call, ask them to do something live, like holding today's newspaper. Most AI deepfakes fail on real-time human actions. If you think you've been targeted or scammed, Contact your insurance company immediately. Inform your bank and freeze suspicious payments. Report to your local fraud helpline like the FTC in the USA, or Action Fraud in the UK. Save all evidence, emails, videos, transaction receipts. Every report helps authorities trace these cybercriminals. The good news is, insurance companies are catching up. Many are now using AI to fight AI, with stronger identity verification, face recognition, and secure digital signatures. But at the end of the day, the best protection is your awareness. Scammers adapt fast, but so can you. Stay alert. Stay protected. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it. You could save someone's life savings today. This is Claim Clarity, your trusted guide for insurance and legal alerts. Subscribe for more real stories, smart advice, and scams you should never fall for. Until next time, stay informed.